In the middle of the ocean, far away from land and law, a luxury cruise ship moves silently through dark water. 1,000 passengers sleep peacefully, believing they are safe. They trust the lights, the security, and the distance from danger. Tonight, that trust will disappear. This ship is not just a vessel, it is a floating city of wealth. Diamonds shine under soft lights. Luxury watches rest on wealthy wrists. Private safes hide cash, jewelry, and secrets. A casino runs all night, powered by digital systems and smart wristbands. Everything is tracked, everything is monitored. On paper, this ship cannot be robbed. The ocean at night feels empty. Radar screens show nothing but calm waves. No alarms, no warning signs. But danger does not always arrive with noise. Sometimes it comes quietly, almost invisible. A small rubber boat moves slowly across the water. Only 4 men are inside. They do not shout, they do not rush. Their faces are calm, their eyes focused. These men are not pirates, they are planners. Every move they make has already been decided long before this night. The massive ship rises above them like a floating city. Lights glow warmly, hiding the darkness beneath. The rubber boat drifts closer, perfectly timed with the movement of the waves. No one on board notices them. Beneath the ship, hidden from passengers and cameras, is a forgotten service hatch. It is used for waste and maintenance. It is never locked at night. That single mistake opens the door to everything that follows. The 4 men enter without sound. Metal corridors stretch deep inside the ship. Red emergency lights glow softly. Their footsteps are slow and controlled. No alarms trigger, no guards appear. This ship is calm, unaware that it has already been taken. One man connects a small device to a control panel. Screens flicker, systems respond. In less than 2 minutes, the ship's internal controls no longer answer to the captain. The heart of the vessel is silent and obedient. Lights begin to dim across the ship, section by section. Elevators stop between floors. Security cameras shut down one by one. Passengers look around, confused but unharmed. A calm voice speaks through the ship's speakers. It tells everyone to remain where they are. It promises that no one will be hurt. There are no weapons, no shouting, just quiet fear spreading slowly through luxury halls. The robbery does not look like a robbery. No one's pockets are searched, no bags are taken. The thieves do not touch a single passenger. Instead, they touch systems. Casino reserves begin to drain. Private vaults unlock silently. Digital wallets connected to wristbands empty in seconds. Jewelry safes open themselves. Diamonds, watches, and cash are collected without resistance. The ship is being robbed, and most people do not even realize it yet. A distress signal is sent from the ship, but the location is false. Far away, Coast Guard units change course and rush toward empty ocean. Every minute they travel in the wrong direction gives the thieves exactly what they need. Inside the ship, the 4 men remain calm. Bags are filled, systems are reset just enough to delay discovery. Nothing is rushed, nothing is left to chance. An emergency lifeboat lowers quietly into the water. The ocean swallows its sound. The 4 men step inside and disappear into the darkness, returning to the same rubber boat that brought them. 12 minutes. That is all it took to steal $50 million from 1,000 people, without violence, without chaos, without a single shot fired. Hours later, as systems come back online and panic finally spreads, security teams search for answers. Camera footage is reviewed again and again. Then the truth appears. One of the thieves was already on the ship months earlier. He walked these halls as a guest. He ate in the restaurants. He watched the staff. He studied routines, weaknesses, and timing. The robbery did not begin tonight. It began long before the ship ever left the dock. No suspects are found. No faces are reported. The ocean keeps its secrets. The ship sails on, lighter than before. And one question remains. Was this the perfect crime?